In Access, all of our objects, tables, reports, forms, and queries are created and stored in a single file called a database. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a database using both a template and from scratch. We are going to download a start file from Sam here in just a minute, but what I would like you to do is click on your search bar down there because we likely do not have Access pinned to our start. So just go ahead and type in Access, ACCESS, right click on the app, and then you can just pin that to your start. So once we get onto our start bar, we should have Access visible to us. We are not going to start this from scratch. We're going to download the SAM file. But if I were to start from scratch to open up a database, all I would simply need to do, click on Access, and then I would have the option to select Blank Database above. But if you have Access open, just close out of it. From there, I would like you to log into SAM. Go ahead and head up to your activity list. My classes are going to be labeled as Access Module 1 Textbook Project. Should be right at the top. Your teacher might have labeled it something else, but we'll go ahead and open up that Access Module 1 Textbook Project. Click Start, and then you can download the start file that should have your name attached to it. So let that download. Open that up, and then just click on Enable Content. Here's just a general overview of the Access window. Along the left-hand side here, we have our navigation pane. This is where you're going to see all your Access objects. At no point, since we're doing this through SAM, should you be editing the grading info table, the SAM project info. That is what SAM needs to be able to grade your project. But as we create our queries, our reports, our forms, and our tables, all of that new information will appear over here. You'll see some tabs that will come across when you have multiple objects open in your window. Up along our ribbon, up on the top, we have the Home tab, which we'll primarily be working in both Form View and Design View. We have the Create tab and the External Data tab, which is primarily where we're going to focus for this project. Our last step in this video is just to save this file into our H drive. We are going to go back into SAM, copy the expected file name, which should have your name on here. We'll copy that. Head back into our Access window, go File, Save As. We're going to save the database as, not the object, but save the database as. Close the objects if it asks us to. Then navigate to your H drive, find your Tech Apps folder, and you should have an Access Module 1 folder that you can just paste that name into. It should be CMF Vets in your name. Go ahead and hit save, and you can move into the next video.